How to remove your Instagram on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Instagram on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click setting, click this one on your profile here and then click edit profile and then just go down and click add, and here just click add social link and select web platform and select Instagram, and let's add my Instagram here and then just click remove, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.